Hello everyone and welcome to Happy Streamers. Here we make tutorials and topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can basically unban someone. So if I go over here and if I ban reaction bots, I am gonna compromise or hack the account, and then I'm gonna click on ban. Right after that, the account has been that thingy has been banned. Next thing you want to do is go to your server settings. Over here, you're going to see bans right in moderation. Click on this and you're going to see reaction rules over here. And then over here, all you want to do is click on revoke ban. Once you do that, now obviously I'll have to invite reaction bots again, but he's unbanned. When he's banned, he cannot join the server anymore. But now that I revoked the ban, he can join the server whenever he wants to. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.